to my channel. My name's Amber. This is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm sharing with you guys this beautiful style from MIMO Wigs. You can find many styles, many colors, many brands over at MIMO Wigs, and you can use the code Amber's Amigos. So before I get started, just take note of that. Anyway, today I'm sharing this Amore wig by Renee of Paris, and this is Royce. The color, the beautiful color that you see right here is called Snowy Sapphire R. R meaning rooted. So let's talk about this color and then we will move on to Royce. Snowy Sapphire R has a soft black root. Usually I am not a huge fan of like black roots, but this looks really pretty with this here color. And then you have a smoky combination of a silver white base mixed with a hint of soft blue. So you do see that slight smoky soft blue color along with that light shade, creating this snowy sapphire. In some lighting, it has more of a grayish tone, and you know, in this lighting, it definitely brings out that blue. Anyway, it is absolutely beautiful if you like more of those fashion colors. Royce by Amore has those long, wavy layers. It is beautiful. In fact, let's do a full turnaround so you can see these layers and the length from all angles. This stunning wig has a side sweeping fringe. Now I kind of did put this somewhat more in the middle, but it did come with a side part. You can see how this is side swept and flowing into the rest of this beautiful wavy layered style. Royce is a synthetic wig. You don't want to use heat tools on this. You don't want to melt the fiber. But the good thing is that it maintains this gorgeous style. You wash it, you shake it, you let it dry, and it maintains these lovely waves. That is the benefit of synthetic fiber. Now, because of these layers and the wave, you can style this wig very easily up in an updo, to the side. It's nice and light. You do have a good amount of hair, but it has more of a natural density. So if you wanted to pull it up, these sweeping bangs just glide effortlessly across the forehead, and then you have nice light layering for a clip or whatever you'd like to do. The texture of this wig is obviously wavy curly. I wouldn't say it's very, very curly. It's a very loose curl slash wave. The density is light, like I mentioned. Even before I saw that it was listed as light density, it felt very light. When I would put my hands around it, kind of put it in a pony, I would definitely say this is more on the light side. Although we have this front-facing side sweeping bang, we do have a lace front. So you can pull this away from the face. You also have a monofilament top, so you have multi-directional parting ability on the top of your head, the crown, so you can style this hair every which way as if it was your own. Now this wig is open wefted, so it keeps it nice and light, very ventilated and breathable. In fact, let's take this wig off and show you guys the underside of the cap construction. Here is your lace front. You can pull that away from the face. Now because these are dark roots, you do have some slight knotting, but I think it looks pretty dang good. You have that monofilament top, so you can part it every which way, and it's meant to look like it's growing out of your scalp. You have your velvet ear tabs with the bendable wire, and what you have is actually close wefting. I thought this was open wefting. It is wefted, but on the underside you have this meshy, lacy material, creating more of a close wefted cap construction. You have your velvet nape with your adjusters at the nape, so you can loosen and tighten this wig and make it fit your head more true to size, and just make it more secure and comfortable. Now here's a closer look of that here color. Up close, you can definitely see that it has a gray vibe going on. When I have it on, when it's far away, you can see that blue, that sapphire. So definitely depending on the lighting situation, you're gonna see more of that gray, that lighter color, or hints of that blue. If you look up close, I'm not sure if you guys can see that, you can see those strands of blue within that shade, along with that very light, smoky white color. Here's that very soft black root. Anyway, I love the style of Royce. Look at those waves. It's nice and light. Definitely has a thicker appearance up top and then kind of graduates down with those layers, and it's nice and light and very natural looking. Okay, let's put her back on. This just has a very wavy, undone, you know, very unapologetic, wavy, beautiful curl. Has a very natural, casual vibe. You can definitely dress this up depending on what you're wearing, depending on the color. This is obviously a fashion color. It's kind of funky, but Renee of Paris, Amore, they have beautiful shades. So depending on what you're looking for, definitely check out those colors in this hairstyle, Royce. Like I mentioned before, you can find Royce at MIMO Wigs, along with many other wig brands and styles. Definitely check them out. Those links will be down below, and go follow MIMO on her social media platforms and sign up for her newsletter so you can be aware of any promos or deals that are going on. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Let me know your thoughts. Comment below. You guys know the drill. What do you guys think of Royce, and what do you think of this Snowy Sapphire R? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching again, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.